Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making soft and fluffy mango and oat muffins. This super healthy recipe requires just a few ingredients and can be put together in minutes. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! We'll start by slicing our mangoes. Now I'll take a large bowl and I'll add in yogurt, castor sugar and odorless oil. And I'll give it a whisk. Now into this I'll add in a few drops of vanilla. Now into this goes in our dry ingredients: flour, baking powder and baking soda, rolled oats, and I'll also gradually add in our milk. And I'll mix it with a spatula. Now that the batter has come together, I'll add in our chopped mangoes. Now I'll transfer the batter into the muffin liners. Now I'll pop them in the oven at 180 degrees for 16 to 18 minutes. Hear that? It's done! Ta-da! These muffins are so refreshing. They're the perfect summer treat. I'm sure all kids and grown-ups are going to love it. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you!